Hey guys, just got my brand new air fryer. I am so excited. That means I get to throw out or donate my old one and finally get a fresh new one to start and keep it clean. Maybe I can teach the kids how to clean it since they never cleaned my old one. It's definitely gotta go. I cleaned it, but working a lot, it's hard to get to. So let's check out the new one I ordered. So excited to check this out and use it. We love to cook healthy in our home, and it's so nice to be able to just throw french fries, chicken, anything we want in the air fryer and cook it without oil. So this is the Taylor Swoden electronic air fryer, and it's up to 1400 watts. And I just love the style and design of the big display temperature reading on the top. I just like the design, and that is why I chose this one. Manual right on top. Styrofoam for safe cooking. Alrighty. It's a beautiful blue color. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that beautiful digital screen. Very large. Take a look inside. Lots of space for cooking food. Cook a lot of fries at a time in that thing. And everything just tastes better when cooked in an air fryer. So I did also want to show you the top. It's got the settings and what temperatures to use them on. So you got french fries, meat strings, chicken legs, shrimp, steak, cake, and vegetables. Now I've never tried cooking a cake in the air fryer. That'd be something I ought to give a try too. It's got a neat little box here in the back to hold the cord, and you can just pull it out and then stick it back in there. Especially if you have it plugged right up there, you don't need all this cord hanging out. So it's really nice that it has that there. And I would keep it a little bit away from the wall anyway so that it could vent there. But it is a gorgeous, beautiful design. Let me plug this in here just so we can see what the display looks like. There it is, fully powered on. It's got a really beautiful display, as you can see. You can turn it on and off with that button. So that's on. Cook french fries. It says for 15 minutes. You can plus the time up and start. It's very easy to do, easy to understand, and absolutely gorgeous. Let's turn that off since I don't have any food in there. Thanks for checking it out with me, guys.